Oh, hey! Welcome to this edition of Miss Paracholski's Quick Science Lessons. Last week in class, we learned the basics about insects. We learned how some insects have antennas or wings, how every insect has 3 body parts, a hard exterior called an exoskeleton, and 6 legs. So this week, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite insects that some kids are actually scared of. I wore a yellow shirt because these animals are known for their yellow and black color, and that is bees. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the next few minutes and learn how these bees that sometimes seem pretty scary are actually really sweet animals because they help make honey. Woo. Woo. I've got a ton of food here, and I wanted to share with you one fun fact. Bees don't just make honey, they also help pollinate, which helps grow many other delicious fruit, vegetables, and other food you probably eat on a regular basis. For example, in my fridge and pantry, I have tomatoes, fruit, an apple, and even this giant bag of almonds that bees helped make. How cool is that? Now, how is a tiny little bee that buzzes around everywhere help make fruit and vegetables? Let's do some investigating and find out. Have you ever wondered why bees love to land on flowers so much? I have. So bees are landing on flowers not just because they're pretty, but because flowers have pollen. If you've ever seen a flower close up, you'll know that there's an orangey yellow substance in the middle of the flower called pollen. When a bee lands on the flower, pollen is rubbed off because bees have a hairy exterior that catches the pollen. When a bee flies to a new flower, the pollen is then transmitted onto the new flower, which helps it grow. Besides just pollination, bees also collect nectar from flowers too. Nectar is a sweet, sugary juice that flowers make. Bees drink the nectar with their tongues, and some bees even make honey that we can eat out of this nectar. These bees are special, and they are called honeybees. Honeybees are special not only because they make honey, but because they are known as social bees. That means honeybees live in one hive with lots and lots of other bees. Bees care for their young, and they store and they make honey in their hives. A beehive is an open space within a tree, structure, or box where bees can live. Inside the hive, honeybees build with beeswax. This beeswax helps make 6-sided shapes called cells or honeycombs, where they put the nectar from the flowers in. Over time, this nectar gets thicker and thicker and turns into honey. Bees, like humans, also eat honey for food. Inside the hive, there are many bees, and each have their own special job. Their jobs keep the colony healthy and happy. There's only one special bee, and that is called the queen bee. She doesn't have a crown, but is much bigger than all the other bees. Oh hey, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that quick lesson on bees. Before you leave, I wanted to share one fun fact that I learned about bees while making this video. So bees are known for their buzz. But how is this sound even made? The buzz sound that is made by a bee is actually from its tiny little wings. And the wings move back and forth so quickly that it makes that characteristic sound that everyone identifies a bee with. Pretty cool. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and aren't as scared of bees the next time you see one outside. Enjoy some honey if you can, some fruit, vegetables, and enjoy learning about more insects in the future with Ms. Paracholski. Thanks again and have a great day. Bye!